everyone, welcome back here. Standard 4 subject Vikas Maths Magic workbook, and we are doing chapter 6, the junk sailor. This video is continuation of this chapter. In my last video I already explained you till this chapter question number 6. So today I am going to explain from question number 7. So all of you concentrate here. The rate of list price list, that means of a junk shop, is given below. Answer the following question on the basis of price list. So rate list is here, item name is here, price per kg is here. So waste paper is rupees 8, newspaper rupees 15, iron is rupees 25, brass is rupees 280, plastic is rupees 14. So according to this, let's solve given the questions. First one is here. So all of you concentrate. What will be the price of rupees 40 kg newspaper? 40 kg newspaper, so per kg newspaper is rupees 15. So here you have to do price of the 1 kg newspaper is rupees 15. Therefore what is the price of 40 kg newspaper? To 40 multiply with 15, you will get 600. This is the answer, 600. The price of 40 kg newspaper is rupees 600. 40 kg newspaper का price कितना आया? Rupees 600. So this is your answer. Like this we have to do the next one. Second, what will be the price of 22 kg plastic waste? Price of 1 kg plastic waste is rupees 14. So price of 22 kg is what? So 22 multiply with 14, rupees 308 is your answer. Price of 22 kg plastic waste is rupees 308 is your answer. So this is your answer, and like this you have to do your multiply how I did here. Okay, इस तरह से आपको multiply रफ में करना है. Now see the question number 3. How much money will be earned on selling 25 kg waste paper? So per kg waste paper first we have to do. Price of 1 kg waste paper rupees 8. Therefore 25 kg waste paper how much? So 25 multiply with 8 is equal to 200. इस तरह से आप लोगों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है रफ में. So 200 you will get price of 25 kg waste paper is equal to 200. This is your answer. So like this you have to write. Now see the question number 4. How much money will be earned on selling 12 kg iron? So price of 1 kg iron is equal to 25 rupees. So 12 kg is equal to what? So 12 multiply with 25, you will get 300. Like this you have to do the multiply. Price of 12 kg iron is rupees 300. So this is your answer. Now see the 5 number. What will be the price of 5 kg brass waste? Okay, 5 kg brass waste we have to find out. The price of 1 kg brass waste is equal to rupees 280. 5 kg is equal to what? So 5 multiply with 280, you will get 1400. Multiply like this you have to do, and you will get the price of 5 kg brass waste is rupees 1400. So 1400 is your answer. Now come on next page. 6th number. How much money does the Suresh earn? Suresh, how much he earned by selling 5 kg waste paper and 4 kg newspaper? So this is the two price that we have to find out, 5 kg waste paper and 4 kg newspaper also. So price of waste paper is first. Price of 1 kg waste paper is rupees 8 and 5 kg about what? So 5 multiply with 8. So you will get 40. 40 is your answer here. So price of 5 kg waste paper is rupees 40. Now here we are going to find out the newspaper price. Price of 1 kg newspaper rupees 15. So 4 kg is equal to what? 4 multiply with 15. So you will get here answer 60. So this is the price of newspaper and this is the price of waste paper. So price of 4 kg newspaper is 60. Now we have to find out the Suresh earn. Suresh earn from both waste paper and newspaper also. So 40 add with 60 you will get 100. 100 is your answer. So Suresh earned rupees 100 by selling waste paper and newspaper. Okay, so like this we have to do. Now see the 7 number. Question number 7. How much money does the Susila Ben earn if she sells 15 kg iron and 20 kg plastic? So here we are going to find out the iron price and plastic price both. So price of 1 kg iron is 25. 15 kg is equal to what? So 15 multiply with 25 we will get 375. So price of plastic is, so this is the price of iron. Now price of plastic. Price of plastic is 1 kg is 14 rupees. So 20 kg is equal to what? So 20 multiply with 14 you will get 280. Now we have to add both 375 and 280. So you will get 375 add with 280 rupees 655. So Susila Ben earns 655 rupees by selling iron and plastic. Now see the 8 number. How much money does Amita Ben earn if she sells 6 kg waste paper and 7 kg newspaper and 8 kg iron? 3 items that we have to find out here. So price of 1 kg waste paper is equal to 8 rupees. 6 kg is equal to what? So 6 multiply with 8 you will get rupees 48 by selling waste paper. This is the price of waste paper. Now newspaper. Second number. Price of 1 kg newspaper is equal to 15. So 7 kg is equal to what? So 7 multiply with 15 you will get rupees 105. Now third one, iron. 1 kg iron is equal to 25. So 8 kg is equal to what? 8 multiply with 25 you will get 200. So now we have to add all this given waste paper price, newspaper, and this is 200 iron price. So for rupees 48 plus rupees 105 plus rupees 200 is equal to rupees 353 is answer. So this is the Amita Ben earn rupees 353 by selling waste paper, newspaper, and iron. 3 items. After this, see the question number 9. How much money will be earned on selling 2 kg of each item? Each item means every item. So first we have to take a list: plastic paper, waste paper, newspaper, iron, brass, and plastic. These 5 items are given here. So we are going to find out the each item 2 kg price. 1 kg price is already given here. So 2 multiply with 8, 2 multiply with 15, 2 multiply with 25, 2 multiply with 28, 2 multiply with 14. So we will get the 2 kg price. So it's equal to waste paper price is 16 rupees, 30 rupees is the newspaper price of 2 kg, iron price of 2 kg is 50 rupees, and brass price is 560 and rupees 28. After do the multiply, we'll get the 2 kg price of each item. Now we have to do add all this. ये सबको क्या करना है हम लोग को ऐड करना है टोटल प्राइस के लिए. 16, 30, rupees 50, rupees 56 and rupees 28. You will get 684. So rupees 684 we will be on selling 2 kg on each item. सारे आइटम को हम लोग 2-2 किलो बेचेंगे तो हम लोग को कितना मिलेगा 684 rupees. Now see the 10 number. Jayanti Lal sell 30 kg newspaper, 9 kg iron, and here is the another one. Dasrath Lal sell 40 kg waste paper, 18 kg plastic. Who will earn more money? So, money earned by Jayantilal. Price of 30 kg newspaper. So 30 multiply with 15, you will get rupees 450. Price of 9 kg iron is 9 multiply with 25, you will get 225. Now total money earned by Jayantilal. So we have to add this two, 225 and 450. So rupees 450 add with 225. Rupees 675 is Jayantilal earned money. Now we have to find out the Dasrath earned money. Money earned by Dasrath. Price of rupees 40 kg waste paper, 40 multiply with 8 is equal to 320. Price of 18 kg plastic is equal to 18 multiply with 14. You will get 252. Okay, this is the price. Now then after we have to add by money earned by Dasrath Lal. So 320 add with 252, 572. This is the 520 72 is a Dasrath Lal earned money, and Jayantilal earned money is 675. So we have to find out the difference. How can subtract it? 675 subtract with 772, you will get 103. After do the subtract. So Jayantilal earn rupees 103 more than whom? More than Dasrath Lal. दशरथ लाल से 103 रुपये ज़्यादा कमाता है जयंतीलाल ये सारे चीज़ को बेच के. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द आंसर. To till here, hope my dear student all you understood how to do it, how to find out it by multiply and add all these items. So rest of the chapter we will continue on next part 4. Till then, bye bye, take care and do practice, continue. If you have any question you can ask me. Bye everyone.